Hi guys, so I'm currently at H&M and I'm at their makeups or beauty section. I'm at their beauty section and they have this foundation range. Guys, they have really dark skin color. Like, I'm so impressed because usually over the years, anytime you go into these beauty stores, they usually don't have shades for, chocolate girls like me. But tell me why I come into H&M and I'm seeing this. Guys, this is even too dark for me. I'm so impressed, I'm so impressed and I'm happy. But yeah, anyway, so for you guys that want to patronize H&M for their beauty, get on it, get on it. They have really amazing shades. Let me show you. See, this is one range and see how many shades they have, and this is another range and see their dark shades. Like, yeah, I'm for it, but I can't see their powders though, because it feels like this is the darkest powder they have. I mean, which isn't bad. See, it's actually dark, which isn't bad, but it means that if you're darker than this, then nothing yet. But I mean, I feel like it's a start in the right direction, I would say. But yeah, I just wanted to come and see what they have. You can see their concealers as well. Okay, maybe not the best shade, but I mean, like I said, for starters, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so today is Sunday. Not a lot to do today. Actually, we went out yesterday and we came back really late. Everybody just slept off. We came back around 12 this morning. What did we do? We had work, myself and my husband, we had work to do. We had clients yesterday, and then from there we went to Dami's place to spend some time. Anyway, today is Sunday, so I want to go and have my bath now. I haven't had my bath, and then attend service. After service, I have brunch with the girls, which I'm actually excited about. It's something that we are now like intentional about, and I'm really grateful because it's really nice, like, especially for me to just live the mommy life and be a baby girl and not just mommy. I mean, I'm grateful to be a mom to 2 boys, by the way. But yeah, so I want to just get on with my day, and I just thought to try to vlog. Guys, it's been a struggle. As much as my heart really wants to vlog, it's been a struggle. Just getting out of this being a mom and being busy with a newborn, but I'm trying, and I've said I'm going to show up as much as I can this year, no matter how little it looks. So this is me showing up. I'll try to take you along my day. I also have some content I want to shoot before I go out, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I just got home. Yeah, back home. I won't be saying much because I'm joining the service, koinonia service, and yeah, mommy duties as well. I have to pump. I just fed my baby, but my boobs are still very full, so I need to pump out the milk. So while I'm doing that, I'm listening to I'm joining the koinonia service online. But yeah, that's it. It was an amazing time. I'll give you all the lowdown tomorrow. But right now I'm really tired and I need to get to my duty. So talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. I know that I said I'm going to talk to you after koinonia service. But yeah, I just finished service. It's about past 10. Yeah, I want to take off my makeup. I just finished feeding my baby again. I showed you guys earlier I pumped. Yeah, I've just been doing mommy duty since I got back. Yeah, so my baby, I was trying to rock him to sleep, but he keeps falling, like going in and out of sleep. So I had to tell my husband to please rock him because he's full, obviously, and so that I can come and take off my makeup because I'm actually quite tired. And for some reason, when I have makeup on and I'm in my house, I feel a bit uncomfortable. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm here trying to take off my makeup and then clean up. You know, it's tired for the night. But yeah. So I'm just going in with this. I have this cooling wipes that I got from Primark when I traveled. Yeah, I really like it. It has a really good smell. So that's what I tend to use to take off my makeup. I use the wipes and I go in with the micellar water. The micellar water I was using before is finished, so I just open this one. So I just take the wipes because you really cannot just use wipes to take off your makeup. It's never clean. So I always go in with my micellar water to take off my makeup. But yeah, the outing was really good. I had a good time. I like the fact that we started doing this because it's just a time to, well, not a good time to, what's it called, unwind together and, just talk about different things. And the food at the restaurant was good. Yeah, enjoyed it. It was nice. And after that, we all went home. And if you want to be sure that at least a large percent of the makeup has been taken off, please don't use just wipes. Don't use just wipes. But yeah, when I wear makeup, I usually double cleanse. I'm going to go in with this my cleansing oil from Anua, and then I'll go in with my cleanser. This cleanser is almost finished, but I already have a backup in storage. So yeah, so I'm just going to go. I'm just going to wash my face now, and then I will be back. Face washed. The reason why I use cleansing oil, or why I do the cleanse, the cleansing oil kind of helps really break down the makeup, so that it's easy to wash off. And then I double cleanse because I need to be sure that like at least the makeup is really gone. And I only double cleanse really when I wear makeup. Yeah, on a normal day when I don't wear makeup, or when I am not wearing makeup, I don't double cleanse. I don't think it's needed. Excuse me. So I'm just going in with my toner. How has the year been so far? I hope you guys are getting your goals in little by little. Well, I am trying. Yeah. My micellar, sorry, my nail muslin, nail muslin. This thing is almost out. I actually do like it, so I'm just going to use that all over my face. Yeah. So my routine, I go in with this serum, a centella serum. My routine at night, I don't make my routine at night. I don't make it very because I have different blue serums as well. I don't use those at night. I use those in the morning. So I'm not going to go with this one and then my night serums. Evolution Pro. This is the Miracle Night Serum. I actually like the way this particular serum feels when I use it. So yeah, so I go in with this night serum. Yeah. I've been trying to be consistent with my skincare, so if you are watching this video, this is your reason to be consistent. Okay. This is the Mary Kay Time Wise Night Recovery. So yeah, I use that after the Miracle Serum. I'll just put that on my spray that. And don't forget your neck, whatever you do on the back of your ears. But yeah, that's skincare done. And I'm going finally with the moisturizer. That's it, you guys. That's it. I'll show you the moisturizer I'm using. Yeah, this is it. This is the moisturizer. This is the moisturizer I'm using. So I just take a bit, just a little bit, because my face already feels like quite moisturized. So I take a little bit and I just also spray it on my face and on my neck. Yeah, that's it. That's all my nighttime routine. Last but not least, I begin with my lip balm. Never leave your lip crusty. So yeah. Okay. That's it, guys. All done. Like my son will say, all done. Skin is all in. Okay. I'll just change out of my robe into my nightwear and quality night. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Ciao.
If I'm being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you, with you, with you, with you. It just kinda happened, don't really know when. Just know that it's with you, with you, with you, with you. Now it's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you change your mind, 'cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible to not fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking to you. I just need a second, so I can hear it saying, leave it all to stay with you, with you, with you, with you. I hate the distance, 'cause I'd rather listen, anything to talk to you, to you, to you, to you. Now it's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you changed your mind, 'cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible to not fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking. Yeah, I won't say anything to you. Oh, I won't say anything to you. Yeah, I'll never say. No, I'll never say. 'Cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible to not fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking to you.
I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay. I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting free process take a lifetime. And patience is